Hello, welcome to another lesson. So in this lesson we are going to be covering how to make a breakout section. So again, let's add our file, and the reason why I'm starting from afresh is I'm just trying to get you used to how to upload your file into your drawing, your view into your drawing, and start working from there, which is why we are always starting from scratch. So we'll upload our check valve and click OK, and now we can upload the front view. And once again, I'm going to hide that origin point. So to add the detail, the breakout section, how the breakout section works is we'll just click on it, and I will draw. So as soon as I click on it, you see this spline tool comes up. So now I can draw a spline around the area I want to create a breakout for. And once my spline is completed, you should get this message. Just click OK, and now it's asking you the depth of that breakout. So the dimension, let's pick something about 0.5 and just try for now. So when I click 0.5, as you can see, it's using that spline to break into that model 0.5, and it's showing you what is inside that valve. So a breakout view is just kind of like the section view, except for you can partially break a section of that valve to see what is behind it. So I have the view here, I can edit it, and let's try one and see what we get. And as you can see, when I try one, the further I cut that breakout view in, the more what is behind that portion where I drew my spline on is revealed. So that is how a breakout view works. You draw your spline and you add your depth, and it reveals whatever is behind that area where you have drawn the spline. Anyway, that is how you create a breakout view in your drawing mode. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.